I'm going to be fixing this intro of a video that happens to be in the makeup niche, and I'm going to show how I can make it look more professional with the same clips that's in the video. Now, the channel I found is Jen's Basic. She's a small YouTuber, just over 100 subscribers, so I thought this was the perfect person to do a video on. She's in the makeup niche. I'm trying to pick different niches so that way you guys can see how you can create your intros based on what niche you are in, and for her is doing a lot of makeup tutorials and reviews. So we're going to go into the video that I found here. We're going to only focus on the first 30 seconds because that's the most important when you're doing an intro. So we're going to go to her video. We're going to watch her first 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and edit it and change it to how I think is best fit for her niche. All right, so let's get into the video. So this is the video that she did. It is new $8 e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation Review and Try On. All right. Title seems fine, right to the point, review video, that's awesome. But now we're going to get to the intro part. We're going to watch hers, and then we'll be able to do our own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, and I do have mine in the color Tan Neutral Bronze. So that is the color there. So we will be trying this out today. I am going to read the claims of this foundation just so you guys know what it is. So it says it's a long-lasting, hydrating liquid foundation.
All right, so that was the first 30 seconds, okay? Pretty quick to the point. I think she did a great job getting to the point. Now, what I will say is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out that beginning part where she was, hey, welcome back, that thing. I feel like old YouTube, it used to be like that because a lot of the time you were getting pushed to your subscribers, but now you're actually getting pushed out to non-subscribers. So you actually don't want to start with, hey guys, welcome back, because majority of the people that are probably seeing the video have not seen your channel yet. So you don't need to welcome them back if they've never been there in the first place. It also wastes time for you to get into the video. So that's one thing we're going to change. The other thing we're going to change is we want to show, again, a little teaser in the beginning so that way the viewer wants to stay for the duration of the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clip towards the end, something that is like a wow feature or something that gives that shock feature that someone wants to say, oh, I want to see when that happens, why that happened, why she said this, whatever. And we're going to take that clip, we're going to put it in the beginning and put a little teaser in there for the hook. So I'm going to go right into my software to edit, and we're going to get right into it. All right, so first thing, like I said, I want to take out that intro part. So we're going to take that first part out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing.
So if you see, it took about 6 seconds for her to get into today I'm going to be reviewing, and all she was talking about was, you know, welcome to the channel, thanks for coming, hope you, whatever. So that part, we're going to take all of that out. All right, so first we're going to go here.
Welcome to my channel.
That was deleted.
So today I am going to,
I'll start with the today.
Today I am going to be reviewing the
Perfect. All right. Now we're going to get to that clip we were talking about. I already kind of watched some of the videos, so I kind of know it's towards the end. Biggest thing is people want to see stuff, right? So they want to see that the makeup looks good or it looks bad. And then they're going to fill in the blank of you watching or them watching the video of why you ended up with that conclusion, whether it was good or it was bad. So we're going to go to the part where, in this case, it was good. So we're going to get to that
completes the look, guys. I love it. I finished my makeup. The makeup is just natural. It doesn't look too much. It blends in perfectly. If you set your face perfectly. If you set your face properly, then you'll see that, you know, it'll go on and do wonders for you. You just got to set your skin wonders for you.
All right. So that's a good little tease right in the beginning. So
if you set your face properly, then you'll see that, you know, it'll go on and do wonders for you.
So now I could just put that clip and put it there, but we want to make it a little bit nicer, okay? Because we had a couple ums in there. We had a pause at the one time. So we're going to take that out. We're going to button that up, make it look a little bit nicer. Now, she already is zoomed in on the camera, which is great, and she's moving around, which also keeps that attention for the audience. So we're not going to do too much of zooms. I'm probably going to actually leave this because she's already zoomed in, and I'm just going to cut out that one part.
Then you'll see that, you know, it'll go on. Then you'll see that it'll go on and do wonders for you.
Boom. Okay.
If you set your face properly, then you'll see that it'll go on and do wonders for you.
Okay, so now we talked about this in the last video. If you happen to see it, if you haven't, go check it out. I did another video where I fixed the intro, and I'm going to be doing this every week, guys, every Friday. And if you, for any chance, want your channel to have a video edited, all you got to do is put it in the comments, and I'll go check out your channel, and I'll pick one of the videos, and I'll edit that intro for you. So what I want to do here now is I want to add this part so then people know the teaser's kind of over and we're getting into the beginning of the video. So I usually put a transition here.
So today
and besides just having the transition, we want them to know that transition's coming, right? So usually I do a sound effect. So I'll do the swoosh. Here.
Wonders for you. So today
Turn down a little bit.
And do wonders for you. So today
actually here.
Wonders for you. So today
I want her to finish that word, so I might actually just go a little longer here and cut that.
Wonders for you. So today
okay, perfect. And then I just got to put that push back on.
Wonders for you. So today I am going to be.
So now we're into the video. Okay, so let's go from the beginning now again.
If you set your face properly, then you'll see that it'll go on and do wonders for you. So today I am going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation.
So right here, what I would do in this part, again, I know a lot of people don't want to do as many edits. You want to do no edits, that's fine. What I would do just to make this look a little bit better is if you're not going to do the edits, you need to make sure that you're putting that thing in the camera. She did end up putting the thing up not until here though. So what I would do is I'd either take a screenshot of it and put it up right here, or I just go online, find a PNG file of that makeup, and then I'd put it right here and I'd add that in. So
neutral bronze.
So you could easily take hers. I could take a screenshot of it. Just take a screenshot on my computer, and I'll show you what I'll do with it. Now, if it was me, I'd just put the PNG file, but just to save time so we don't have to look it up right now, I'm just going to use the picture I just took. So what I would do is I'd come here and I'd put that image right here. Okay, and maybe what I'd do is I don't want to cover her face really. All right, this is what I do with a lot of, anytime I put a picture over the screen, I do a little drop shadow on it. It gives a little pop. I round the corners a little bit too. So you can kind of see it come in. For this one, because we're doing this, we might want to even just change the saturation on it so that way they know it's different, so it's not the same background like that. And then I'll add a little starting transition too, like this, and usually I call it the plain one I do. And then obviously you got to make that sound effect in there too. I love the sound effects. I usually do a pop sound. Again, I do this right in ScreenFlow. You guys can do this right in CapCut or any other software that you guys want to use. You can do an iMovie, any of that stuff. So let's see.
Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Reviewing the.
So right when she says it.
Reviewing the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation.
Okay, perfect. I'll turn that sound down a little bit, but now you guys can kind of see.
Reviewing the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. And I do have mine in the color Tan Neutral Bronze. So that is the color there. So we will be trying this out today. I am going to read the claims of this foundation just so you guys.
Okay. So, and then she goes into the video. So as you can see, I didn't even have to do 30 seconds worth because she's already into the video. She's already got the attention from the first like 15 seconds. And she's already talking about what's going on in the video. Okay. Usually in the first 30 seconds, if you're prolonging because you're talking about a story and you haven't gotten into it yet, then you would want to have more edits. But if you're already into it and you're talking about the specific, like you're doing a review and you're talking about the product, then it's fine not to do as many edits. What I would do is more jump cuts. For her, she's already so zoomed in, it's hard for me to do jump cuts on this. So if it was me and I recorded this video right now, I would shoot a wider shot. That way I'm able to crop in, crop out. So like even on the video you guys are watching right now, I shot it wide enough to where you're going to see I zoom in sometimes and I zoom out, or I even do a slow zoom. That just makes it, again, more engaging for the viewer. If I wanted to do that, what I could do is I would go here. Let's say we'll do the next clip.
And I do have mine in the color Tan Neutral Bronze.
So we'll do this part, right? So watch. I'll add this to it, or maybe we want to do a zoom in. So I'm going to add this little action, and I'm just going to have it zoom in just a little bit. So watch the whole clip now.
The e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. And I do have mine in the color Tan Neutral Bronze.
And then it goes to that. If you wanted just to do a straight jump, let's go to like after she puts this away. Right here, I might do it.
So we will be trying this out today.
So right here, maybe I do a jump. So I'll just zoom in a little bit more.
So we will be trying this out today. I am going to read
jumps out. That's just getting the attention of the viewer, okay? This is going to, again, help with your retention and also help with the audience wanting to stay on your video, because when there's a lot of changes, they have to refocus. The whole purpose of it, like jump cuts and all that, jump zooms, is for you to refocus on the video. If it's just a stagnant video the whole time, I might be wandering. I might be on my phone while I'm watching the video, or I might be doing something else and get distracted. But if I see a bunch of jumps going on or things popping up on the screen or sound effects happening, it always has to get my attention back. So now I'm like, oh shoot, this is still going on. Okay, now I'm into it a little bit more. Now I have a visual up there. Oh, that's even more enticing because now I got to see what it looks like. What does the product look like? What shade did she get it in? All of that kind of stuff. So let's watch the intro now of what we put in there and let's compare it to the other.
If you set your face properly, then you'll see that it'll go on and do wonders for you. So today I am going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, and I do have mine in the color Tan Neutral Bronze. So that is the color there. So we will be trying this out today. I am going to read the claims of this foundation.
So that's it, guys. As you see, it didn't take us long at all, and we didn't even do it the first full 30 seconds. We really just, what did we go up to? About 21 seconds. But mainly all the edits happened right here in the first 10 seconds. So the first 10 to 30 seconds, most important, obviously depends on what your niche is, what you're talking about. If you're already into the video or if you're still explaining what's going on, then you might have to do some more edits. But for the most part, it's your jump cuts. It's your B-roll, putting things on the screen, some visuals, and then some sound effects here and there. All I want you to take away from this is we took where the beginning we were talking about the subscribers and thanks for coming back to the channel, this and that. We just wasted 7 seconds. So we took that out. We took an important clip at the end, something that was like, wow, that looks really good. Like if I was into makeup, I'd be like, wow, that makeup looks really good. I wonder, how she applied it, or I wonder what else she had to say about it. So then you put that teaser in the beginning, which was that 3 to 4 second clip we put in there. I think 5 second clip we put in there. And then we go right into the video. We don't go into welcoming subscribers. We go right into, today I'm going to be reviewing the blank, right? And then we go into that. So I hope this video helped. Again, if you want me to do one of your intros, go ahead and put your channel down in the comments down below and I'll check it out and hopefully I can do one of your videos in the upcoming weeks. I'm going to be doing this every week. And if you haven't seen it already, I did another intro over here. So go check that video out and I'll see you there.